Okay, so finally, of course, there are irregulars, and these are a few of the irregulars that were mentioned in Senora Jordan's video, and you might recognize also from the commands. You can see vayan here. That's the ustedes command for go. Sean, that's the ustedes command for be. So it is just expanded, and you can see that it's a whole conjugation. So for ser, sea, seas, sea, seamos, seáis, sean. For ir, vaya, vayas, vayan, vayamos, vayáis, vayan. Saber, sepa, sepas, sepa, sepamos, sepáis, sepan, and ver. Vea, veas, vea, veamos, veáis, vean. So practicing those again. Here's some of our es blank que expressions. Es bueno que, here's my que. Es posible que. Es mejor que. Es lógico que. All of those have a que, so I'm going to use the subjunctive of this verb. It's irregular. For ella, I'm going to use sepa. It's good that she understands Spanish. For number 8, es posible que, I'm going to use ir for nosotros. So vayamos. Es posible que nosotros vayamos a España. It's possible that we go to Spain, or it's possible that we will go to Spain. For number 9, es mejor que, ser. For 2, that's going to be seas. Just taking it right off the irregular chart there. Es mejor que tú seas responsable. It's best that you are responsible. And number 10, es lógico que, there's my que, ver for yo, vea. It's logical that I see my brother every day. So there are some examples with irregulars. So that's it for the instructional videos. You can go on and do your choice activity. There are going to be some just concise notes for you to use to refer to, so that you don't have to keep searching through the videos. So I'll put some of those up for you as well to use as references when you're doing your choice activity. Adios!